welcome to the Sunborn in Gibraltar. We're going to give you a little room tour. Very excited about this. So here we are, we're in room 446. A beautiful door and entrance. And we're going to go inside. So here we go. So we come into this nice lobby area. And the first really cool thing is that all of the lights are operated on this touch switch. So if you want to put all the lights on or all the lights off, you simply just press these buttons, lights off and lights on. How clever. Now, very cool area, we're going to go into the bathroom. Beautiful bathroom, oh my goodness me. Look at this marble, it is amazing. So you've got everything you need in the bathroom, you've got towels, you've got a lovely sink, you've got conditioner, made in England, obviously we're in Gibraltar, and shampoo, and a little box of goodies. Everything, what I love about it is everything is presented so well, like the boxes, everything's made beautifully. And this is very cool. So you're able to open the wardrobe from this side as well, so that's really nice. You can get your clothes out that you need to in here and not go into the bedroom. Very nice thinking. Here, a beautiful shower, really nice size and just amazing. Nice head, nice rainfall shower. The tiles are beautiful and just, you can't believe you're actually on a yacht. The room is still really spacious. And then in here, you have your toilet, so you have your privacy, which is nice, and a nice open area. I'm very excited, obviously, you can see. Then we go into this beautiful bedroom. This double bed is amazing. It's huge. I think it's a king size, so it's really lovely. In here we have complimentary robes which look really beautiful, so I'm looking forward to getting into that later. So what next? Let's have a look at the view. Oh, by the way, they arranged this bottle of cava in our room free of charge. It's my husband's name day today. So very kindly, they put this in our room free of charge, so it's worth asking for the little extras. They do a lot for you. And then over here, everything is controlled from this panel. So we're going to open the curtains, we're going to open the big ones. And then we're going to open the shades. And we have this amazing view. Super stunning. We are on the side of the marina, which is very nice. You can still look out to sea. You can also see Gibraltar Rock. You can also stay on the other side, which will give you more ocean views. That would be for a slightly higher price. But this is just beautiful. Today, for us, this was better because we didn't have so much wind. So it's really nice. Just get the view. The staff were really helpful. They organised our dinner reservations and they also gave us a complimentary glass of cava, so we felt really well treated. So I definitely recommend the Sunborn in Gibraltar. It's a beautiful hotel and a beautiful room.